Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to uncase Epson Artisan 1430. I'll show you how to take the case off for repair or modification. At first, I take those two covers off. There's no trick to it. Just squeeze and pull it, and they're going to come off really easily. This cover, do not open it all the way. Just open a little bit, and with this angle, just bend it in the middle. Very easy to remove. Same as the stacker. It's easier to remove when you lay it flat and bend. Now I turn to the back of the printer, remove one screw in the middle, one screw on the left, and one screw in the right. Now this bottom panel can be taken off. Hey my fellow YouTubers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Here's a coupon to help you on your next project. The coupon is only valid for 24 hours. After the video is released, you can use the coupon on anything at bchtechnology.com, a website designed by makers for the makers. We have printer parts, scientific medical ink. You can learn how to make your own ink, and DTF, sublimation, edible ink. Here you get all kinds of sources for how to modify your printer. We even have stamp ink. Here's so all surface ink, and you can stamp on any kind of surface except water. You can stamp on glass, vinyl, anything, even our congressmen. If you need more coupons in the future, please subscribe to my channel and make sure you turn the bell on so you won't miss the new videos and surprise coupons. Okay, I don't know how to describe this. If you put your finger underneath here, you're going to feel a tap. So you can just push forward. You can see this cover already kind of peeled off. So and you're going to feel something there and just push forward. And you can use both hands like this. You can see it's push it horizontally, and the thing going to get loose. You got this piece. It's just like a tab in the middle. You can pry it out or just like me jiggle a little bit. You can see here's a tab for the long piece. Here's the tab that you push underneath. There are three of them, but you really don't need to push in all three. Now you're going to disconnect the FFC cable and two wires. If you look this way, the blue side of FFC cable is towards ground. The wire with the black connection is on your left, and with the white connection is on your right. You're going to see one screw in the middle. Now we're going to pry those tabs. When you pry them up, use another hand to hold it, and when you get all three of them loose, lift the whole cover up. And now lift the cover up. Let's do another side. Pry and lift. And you're going to see one screw on the top and one screw on the bottom. And the same as the other side. And now you can take the cover off. Don't forget which two holes that the big FFC cable come out and which hole those two wires come out. Okay, you need to rewire them when you put it back. And now I'm standing in front of the printer. Look down, you're going to see some screws. And from the left, those screws, and if you look here, here's another screw. Here's another screw from the plastic to the metal. And on the right, there are one more. So take a screwdriver and remove the upper and lower screw, and two in the middle, and one on the right. And the front panel can be taken off. I just want to show you how this works. So if you lift this up and down, and the gray plate go up and down, and that thing going to lift the star wheels. So that's when you print the CD, and the star wheel has to be up. And now take your cell phone, take a detailed video of this part. You're going to mess it up, I promise. And here's the PE sensor. So when you put the paper in, that push the lever out. If you get stuck, you get a fake paper jam. Okay, I'm going to start at the right side. By right, I mean if I'm facing the printer. We take off this screw and this one. Those screws are machine screws. Their spiral is finer than the ones that goes into the plastic. Now we take out the ground wire. Any screws goes into the metal here at the machine screws. Don't forget you got two wires, two ground wires share the same machine screw. Now we disconnect the motor cable. Now we move to the left side. Because we're standing in the back of the printer, the left side is our right. I don't know if that makes sense to you or not. And now those two metal weird thing is screwed in the front. Okay, let's go to the front. In the front, you're going to see a row of screws. It's not the screws. It's the two screws that look like bluish. And let me lift it up and show you. It's right here and here. Those two metal things may be the weirdest thing Epson ever designed. And here's the look from the other side, the back side, when you take those two screws off. After the front side is unscrewed, you can just pick them up. Just make sure when you put them back, they go this way, okay? And now you can gently disconnect all the cables. I said gentle. If you pull off this piece, let me show you, it's a photo interrupter. It sits on a metal and have 4 legs. And because you pull it out, now it has 2 legs. So if you break it, let me give you 5 minutes to cry. Then you can go to bchtechnologies.com and type in the word photo. It should come up, maybe photo interrupter. This photo interrupter is widely used as a PE sensor or other things such as this 1430. And now you can slide the ADF back, and this piece of plastic underneath, just a sheet of plastic with lots of tabs. Just pull the tab a little bit up and it will loose, and you can remove it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.